Hey guys, what's up? Okay, so today I'm actually going to be partnering with Sephora and AshGhotCakessTV to bring to you a flawless summer face look. So this is going to be super cool for any of you that have ever wanted to try some AshGhotCakessTV products or see how certain products work, because we're actually going to be using quite a few on our face today. And basically what I'm going to be showing you today is how to get a natural finish, not look cakey, not look drippy in this hot summer heat. Because trust me, in Arizona, it is triple digits like most of the year. It's sick, okay? And I know a lot of us here, we have jobs, we have kids, we have errands to run. So that summer sun cannot stop us from doing our thing. We're going for something long wear, flawless, radiant, and that has skincare benefits like SPF to save you from that summer sun. So if you want to see how to get this look in my little routine, then go ahead and keep on watching. So first things first, we're going to go ahead and start off with a primer. So I'm going to be using the brand new AshGhotCakessTV Your Skin But Better Primer. This is a makeup gripping primer, so it's supposed to help your makeup grip on all day. It is very hydrating, which is perfect for me especially, but also because we're going to be using a matte product over this. So it's going to keep you nice and hydrated all day. It is oil free, and it also has skincare benefits because it is pore refining with continued use. So even though you've got a full face of makeup on, underneath your skin is just flourishing. And I definitely want to put some under my eyes because I do want my under eyes to be very hydrated, and I definitely wanted to grip my concealer and stay on all day. Now that we have our base on, I'm going to go ahead and take the AshGhotCakessTV Your Skin But Better CC Plus Oil Free Matte. Basically, this is what's going to give us our flawless full coverage look while having SPF 40. I said this before, you guys, but having SPF in your makeup routine is so important. You should always wear an SPF so that we'll be protected from the sun all day while we have our full face on. Like my mom taught me a couple things about skincare. It was that you should moisturize your neck and always wear an SPF, okay? She's lived a little longer than I have, so she knows. Let me go real close real quick so you guys can see the coverage, okay? And my skin, you know, it's not too bad right now, but we're having a little bit of a breakout situation up here. I ran out of my favorite cleanser, so we're having a little bit of an issue. But we're about to cover that right up, okay? By the way, I'm using the shade medium. Look at that coverage, you guys. It gives me such a natural finish. Although it is a matte, it has anti-aging, hydrating properties. So it's gonna keep your skin super hydrated while still giving you that full coverage, still giving you the SPF. Like, we're gonna be protected. Our skin's gonna look real good. Look how flawlessly this applies together with the primer. It's just kind of like a little even coat. We look real flawless, we look hydrated. And we're gonna be ready to go out in the hot, sweaty weather. That is my favorite type of look. I've talked about this so many times, but like a natural finish, something that makes it look skin-like while still giving you that coverage. I live, okay? Next, I'm gonna go ahead and apply concealer. So I'm gonna be using the AshGhotCakessTV Bye Bye Undereye in the shade 20 Medium. Y'all, like, I don't know if you've used this before, but let me just show you something real quick, okay? So it's supposed to be a full coverage, waterproof concealer. I've never tried another concealer like this. And you guys know I am so picky about concealers. Like, this is the topic of conversation in almost every video, literally. You guys, Bye Bye Undereye is right. Like, what under eye wear? And I haven't even tried this product until recently, even though I've heard great things about it. So I don't even know why I was sleeping on it. But you guys, like, the coverage, the hydration. If you're anything like me and you have dry under eyes, or even if you have aging under eyes, I would definitely recommend this because it's super hydrating and creamy. Like, you can obviously see. And I feel like a lot of concealers that are out are more on the matte side. And when I'm out in the hot Arizona sun and I have like a super, super matte under eye with so much powder and everything underneath, my under eyes look cakey. Like, cakey, crispy, crusty, dusty, the whole thing nasty. I'm gonna put a little bit on this little breakout that I got popping off up here. She's gotta go. She's not invited to the party. And I didn't even mention this, but I went ahead and just started off with a little bit of lash, because sometimes when you're gonna be real out there and real sweaty and you're already going for a full coverage look, sometimes you don't wanna do a full eye look just because it can get creasy, it can get melty. We still go out and serve looks, like, don't get me wrong. But sometimes when you know you're going to be outside for a while. So I decided to go with the Bye Bye Pores Illumination because I did want to still have that more illuminated effect, even though we're gonna powder our skin. Basically, it's a radiant translucent powder, and we're just gonna use a little bit of this to set our face. I don't like to look too matte when I know I'm gonna be sweating because I feel like it makes the sweat more obvious. I feel like when you do a little bit more of a hydrated look, it's less obvious to tell that you're kind of a little bit sweaty. When you're hydrated, it looks like everything just kind of blends in. Everything's just a little moisturized. Do a little bit on the forehead as well, because I do need it there. Okay, a little bit on the nose, wherever you get nice and shiny. Now I'm gonna go ahead and do a little contour off camera real quick, and I'll be right back. And to really finish things off, I'm going to be using the It Cosmetics Bye Bye Pore Bronzer. I feel like honestly you cannot top off a summer look without a bronzer. Bronzer is the key to a beautiful glowing summer look. You know I love a good bronze forehead, hands down. Since this is part of the Bye Bye Pores line, it just gives you like a flawless veil over your skin, which I definitely did because we trying to be flawless. While I'm at it, to keep my eyes nice and set and stop them from being greasy and creasy, I'm just gonna apply a little bit of that onto my eyelids too, because my eyelids do get oily, and this will give us a little bit of color and keep them nice and set. We're looking good, you guys. I'm gonna go ahead and finish this up, pop a little lip on, and I'll be right back. Alright you guys, so that is it for this look. I really hope you enjoyed it. We're looking absolutely, if I do say so myself, flawless. We're also getting those skincare benefits as well as wearing a good SPF when we go out in the sun right now. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hopefully you found out about some new products that you'd like to try. Let me know down below what your favorite summer products are, or even what your favorite It Cosmetics products are. Just let me know down below in the comments. We'll talk about it, and I will see you guys next time. Bye guys.